that have done this before. Do you remember how to do this?
I do. Yeah, I think I did.
Okay.
Wait, which way are we going? Up there.
Alright, I'm going to spot you guys who are going to go on the outside, and some of you guys who want to go on the inside. Please listen. I don't want somebody to say, now what do I do? Who's going to be the first one up?
I'll go.
Alright. You need to stand where you are. Okay, so you need to move back. You need to move back there.
If I'm right, I go through this first one, right? And I go on.
Yep. Okay, now watch what he's doing. You can go back behind me.
Wait.
Yeah, don't get too close. Okay, guys, back up here. Who did this outside last time? Do you want to show them how to do the outside? What's that? There's two different ways. There's under the rock here, or you can go on the outside, and they're going to show you how to do it. If you want to do it on the outside, I just have to spot you going up, that's all. Yeah, go ahead. This one, this here, and then right here. There we go. Very good. Okay, anybody else want to go on the outside?
Yeah, I'll go on the outside.
Okay. You want to go? Okay. 1 foot here. Did you see what he did? You're going to put your left foot here, left foot on that point, put your right foot here, okay, then swing your left foot back over to here. Hold it, you got that there and there. Okay, I'm going to hold your foot. You're not going to slide. Okay, you go ahead. Keep your body over your feet. Very good, very good. That was awesome. Okay, we're going to wait till he goes. Okay, you go left foot on the point, right foot up here, and left foot over here. Okay? Left foot on the point, yeah. But you gotta swing a foot over to here. There, and then and keep your. Go ahead. Very good. Okay, wait till he's out of there before you get under, because if he comes down, that's gonna hurt. Okay, hold up a second. Okay, 1 foot here, 1 foot here, 1 foot here, and hold on to just those two pieces. It is. I'm going to hold it. Yeah, I got you. I do this all the time. All the way over. There you go. Very good. Okay, now go under. Take it easy up there, guys. I'm gonna wait till he goes to the rock. We'll merge in like a zipper. Got it? There's a foothold behind you. It's hard to see when you're coming up behind it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. You got foot. There. Yep, and I got you. Keep your body over top of your feet. There you go. Very good. Let go of that shelf there so you can get up there. There you go. As soon as he goes, you can go. Okay? Okay. There we go. As soon as he goes out of the way, then you can. know what you're doing. There we go. Okay. Yeah, foot. Very good. Okay, here we go. Good. Anybody else going on the outside? No? Okay. Get out of the way now. There we go. Go ahead. You're all clear. There's a little hole in the wall there that you can stick your foot in to boost yourself up. Do you see it? Okay. There you go. There you go. That's it. Now put your back over towards me and then put your foot in that hole and boost yourself backwards. That way you can hold on to both sides just like that. Just like that. Now you can go backwards up. That's it. And you can push off against the rock. There you go. Up a little, maybe a little higher. You can get a better grip. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Take your time. We're not in a hurry, okay? Okay. This is the only sketchy part that you have to do. Getting into this cave is with a bear, but after this, we can do easy parts. You're good to go. Very good. You know what you're doing. Very good. Look at this. All right. Go ahead. Next. There you go. That's it. That's it. Take your time. 3 points of contact. You'll be just fine. That's it. There you go. There we go. There you go. No, but the owner does it in the dark. Yes, he did it. It scared the crap out of me. We were sitting up here, we're doing the lights out at the top of this, and we're all sitting in the dark, and then I hear the owner, he came down down here from down here. He said, okay, turn your lights on, let's go. How did you get down there, Ed?
Some people are nuts, aren't they?
He's crazy like that too. You know, yeah, it's a little slick. If you plant your feet right and keep your 3 points of contact, you do just fine. There you go. Okay, let's listen up real quick. So this is a maze cave, which means that there's passages coming and going in each room. And in this room, we have the passage we just came in and came up. Back behind me, there's a passage back there. We don't go in there. It gets really tight, so we avoid that. From here, behind you, there's a hole. That drops down and then goes, it's like a hands and knees crawl over that way. The other side of this big rock here. It goes that direction till you come to a room that you can stand up in. There's a hole about this big around, about 10 feet up, maybe 8 feet, that you have to climb out of. We're going to avoid that right now. Okay? Now down over here, there's a drop down here that goes down to a passage there that's a walking passage on the other side of this rock. It goes all the way down here. And here, this passage here goes that direction. Now on this passage here, on the left wall, when you're facing that direction, there's a horizontal crack in the wall that you can stick your toes in. You can put your back on the other wall and kind of shimmy across like Batman. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Now, the thing is, this passage here and that one there meet up again in the next room. Okay? And this one goes down where this one keeps on going, and that meets up again too. And there's also another passage up here that you can cut over if you really want to. So what I want you to do, who's done this before? Okay, you know how to do that crack there? You remember? Do you remember?
Come out back here.
I'm sorry?
Come out back here.
No, that really doesn't go anywhere. That's out towards the exit there. I mean, there's a little cubby in there that you can go into, but Now there is another passage, but it's hard to get to from here. It's easier coming back. You guys gonna make a sculpture? Okay, remember to take care of your buddy when you're going through this crack. Stay with your buddy. When they were mining, they opened it up. Limestone for making roads. I think it was like around World War II era. I think the last time this cave was mapped was in 50.